Hello and welcome. Thank you for checking out this video. Today we're going to make styrofoam prints, styrofoam templates in order to make prints. For this project you need styrofoam plate, scissors, some tape, a template square. You will need something to scratch a design with, paper, a board, or you could use a table instead of a board. You'll also need a wet paper towel, something solid to roll out your print with, and also some markers. So first, to get started, you're going to take your template and your styrofoam plates. We'll go ahead and use our etching thing. Once you get your template traced on there, you will cut out your square. Now that you have your styrofoam square cut, you can decide what you want to do with your print. You should have already sketched out some ideas on your worksheet. You should have 4 different ideas, and hopefully you've got a good idea about what you want to do. There are several different options here. You can just do some random shapes and colors. Whatever your design is though, it needs to fill the whole section of styrofoam. You can try and do a design that intersects. If you want to get a little Andy Warhol action going on, you can design a person or a figure or an object, and you can put it in several different color schemes for your different prints. That's one of the beauties of printmaking, is that you can try out different color schemes. Finally, as we just finished a tessellation unit, if you would like, you can use your tessellation itself. Today, I have elected to do a skull. First thing that you need to do is sketch out your object. I'm going to sketch mine with marker first, and then scratch it in. That way, if I make a mistake, it's not etched in there already. I got my skull etched in there, or drawn in. Now I'm gonna etch it, and I'm also gonna fill in the background with some kind of pattern. Okay, so I have my design etched in here. It doesn't have to be super complex. It actually it'll go faster if you have a simpler design. Just realized I forgot to put in my background pattern. So I have filled in my background now with kind of a diamond-shaped pattern. That's just gonna make the design a little bit more interesting. It doesn't have to be anything super complex in the background. Once you have your design done, you can take your paper and you're going to tape it onto your board or a table. I think I might have said this was a 3x3. This is a 4x4, and my paper that I've got here is a 9x9. I got a nice even tape job all the way around. The reason you need to tape this down is that as you wet the paper, it will rumple up, but if it's taped down, it'll dry flat. The 9x9 is plenty of space to get 4 different prints on your paper. So my first step now is that I'm gonna color my skull using Crayola marker. Each time you print it, you get to choose a different design. I'm gonna go with some blue, pink, and purple for this one. For my template is all colored. Now I'm ready to print. So first I'm going to wet my paper with a wet paper towel. Then I'm gonna carefully put my template down here. I'm gonna use a jar kind of as a rolling pin to really press it on there. You want to make sure you keep one hand holding your print down, that way it doesn't shift around, and really press on there to get all the ink transferred over. Okay, carefully peel it off, and that's our end result there. Got a little bit of bleeding, but I think it turned out pretty good so far. Hopefully you enjoy this project.